Hello, ladies, fellas, anybody that's watching. I know I never go live, but something in my spirit just told me to go live. I'm driving and I'm stuck in traffic, so I'm just gonna listen to my intuition. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about today is about self-care and about how I kind of feel like society makes us feel like, oh, in order for you to, take care of yourself, you have to have a certain amount of money, you have to have, you gotta go to the spa, you gotta go and, get your nails done, get your hair done, and I feel like self-care is a lot of the simple things, that we just used to do for ourselves and we just kind of look over on a day-to-day basis. Like maybe you are in your job and, you stressed or whatever, or, you got a busy day ahead. And so instead of taking the time out to do that extra self-care in the morning, you just kind of skip over that because you feel like you don't have time. But I feel like self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. And this message came to me because I was actually, I'm actually technically still at work, but I had walked by a supervisor's office and I saw that she had that up on her door. It said that self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. And, I just wanted to come and talk to you guys about that. It's a quick little message because I'm actually back on my way back to the office. But I just want to let you guys know that there are other forms of self-care. Self-care can be financial planning for yourself so that you're not stressed out about money. Or self-care could be, taking a little extra time in the morning, getting up maybe an hour early to work out. Or, Lord, this traffic is crazy. Or, it could also be, instead of going to get if you don't have the money to go and get your nails done or your hair done or buy a new weave or a new wig, doing your hair yourself. Take the time out to do things that make you feel better, that make, it's not just about vanity, but in reality, I feel like when you do things to enhance your appearance or, to just take care of your appearance, I feel like it does make you feel better. Self-care can be buying a pair of jeans that make you feel more confident instead of, continuing to wear the jeans in your closet that are too little or too big, going to buy a new pair. Or it could be something so simple as taking a walk in the evenings, when you get off or whatever. But like I said, it's a really short impromptu video, but I just really wanted to come to you guys and talk to you about this because I don't know, like I feel like I just want to start listening to my intuition more, especially when it comes to like things with my career and as far as YouTube is concerned and just in life period. I just want to start listening to my intuition a lot more and not talk myself out of things that I really want to do, like this video, because I have a lot of ideas, and this is off topic, but I have a lot of ideas and stuff that come to me in the moment, and I just kind of talk myself out of it, like, oh, they don't want to hear what I have to say, or things like that. And I really want to stop doing that. I really want to, I feel like, because I do feel like I'm here for a purpose. Well, it's not that I know that I'm here for a purpose, and I know that the words that I say can be very powerful. And so I don't want to hold that back from anybody who may need it. So again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave me feedback down in the comments of any videos that you want to see. I'm actually going to be filming some videos coming up because I have just a couple of announcements that I want to make, as well as I just kind of want to revamp my channel, and so I want to get you guys feedback on what you want to see. But that's all for today. I'm almost to the office, so I will see you guys in the next video.